Hello everyone, my name is Harsh Singhal and I am your mathematics trainer. Today we are going to solve the past year questions of UIMO, that is Unified International Mathematics Olympiad. Here is the first question. A number lies between 1000 and 1500. If it is added to 799, the answer will become 2185. What is the number? So number is equal to 2185 minus 799. 15 minus 9 is 6. 17 minus 9 is 8. 20 minus 7 is 13. So 1376. Okay, this is 17 minus 9 is 8. So B option is the correct answer. Farah, Sony and Roshni have 4827 together. Farah has this much amount. How much money less does Sony have than Roshni if Roshni has the same amount as of Farah? So 4827 minus 1874 plus 1874. 4827 minus this is 8, 14, 1, 16, 17, 1, 3. So 17 minus 8, that will be equal to 9. 11 minus 4 is 7. This is 0. This is 1. 1079 is the Sony. We need to find out how much money is less as compared to Farah. So we need to find out the difference. 14 minus 9 is 5. 16 minus 7 is 9. This will become 7. 795 is the answer to this question. So here is the next question that we are going to discuss. The distance between town X and a library is 121 kilometers. So there is this town X and then there is this library. It's 121 kilometers. The distance between library and town Y is 87. Town Y is 87 kilometers. What is the total distance between town X and town Y? So that is 121 plus 87. 7 plus 1 is 8. 12 plus 8 is 20. 208 kilometers. The option is the correct answer. Identify the missing number in the box. 1 upon 4 is equal to 4 upon what? So this will be equal to upon 4 is equal to 4 upon 1, or this is equal to 4 multiplied by 4, that is 16. The option. A tank can hold 4 times as much water as bucket. If the total capacity of a tank and a bucket is this much, what is the capacity of a bucket? So 3 liter plus 500 ml, this is equal to 3000 plus 500, that is 3500 ml. Now a tank is equal to 4 times a bucket. Tank plus bucket is equal to 3500. 4 times of bucket plus bucket is equal to 3500. 5 times the capacity of a bucket is equal to 3500, or the capacity of a bucket is equal to 3500 divided by 5, that is equal to 700 ml. A option. Identify the missing number over here. So we are having 4535, 4507, then dash, then 4451. So if we talk about these two numbers, here the difference is of 4535 minus 30 minus 28, 4507, 4535, 4507. 15 minus 7 is 8, this is 28. So here also we will subtract 28. It will become 4507 minus 28. 17 minus 8 is 9. 9 minus 2 is 7. 4479. And if you look at the difference, 4479 and 4451, that is also 28. So 4479, that means the option is the correct answer. Next one. There are 207 people in a concert, 180 are adult. If there are 30 more men than children, how many women are there? So out of 207, there are 180 adults. So there will be 207 minus 18, 180, that is equal to 27 children. Out of adults, there are men and women. If there are 30 more men than children, so number of men is 27 plus 30, that is equal to 57. So number of women will be equal to 180 minus 57, that is equal to 123. B option is the correct answer. Nina works every day except Saturday and Sunday. There is a month of February that is given to us. How many days in February does she work? So out of 28, we'll neglect this 4 and 4. 28 minus 4, that is equal to 28 minus 8, that is equal to, for 20 days she worked in February. The pages of a book are numbered as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. The digit 5 appear exactly 16 times. What is the maximum number of pages a book can have? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, then 11, 12, and then we will going to have 15, then 20, 21, then 25, 30, 31 and 35, then 40, 41, then 45, then 50, then we have 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 times the pages are coming. 16 times. 5 is coming as part 59. Then 60, then 61, 62, 63, 64, 65. Now here the 17th time it is coming. 17th time. So it cannot appear. So the maximum number of pages can be 64. David sold 396 cakes on Monday. He sold 370 cakes on Tuesday. More cakes on Tuesday than Monday. How many cakes did he sell on Tuesday? So number of cakes he sold is equal to 396 plus 370. 6, 1, 766. The option. Which option shows 2 by 3 of the shaded portion? So 2 by 3 as in, see, over here there are 4 equal parts. So the fraction is 2 upon 4. Here there are 3 equal parts, so 3, but 2 are shaded. Here it is 2 by 4 and here we cannot identify the fraction for now. So D option is the correct answer. The distance from the floor to the ceiling is 328 centimeter. Pihu is 159 centimeter tall. So let's say that there is a room like this, whose ground and ceiling are 328 centimeter. Now Pihu is standing here and her height is 159 centimeter. If she stands on a ladder and her head touches the ceiling exactly, what is the height of the ladder? So basically this is the height that we need to calculate. 328 minus 159. 18 minus 9 is 9. 11 minus 5 is 6. And 2 minus 1 is 1. 169 centimeters. The option. Mrs. Chaya has a mass of 50 kilograms. She is 5 times as heavy as the sun. What is the mass of sun? Mass of her sun is equal to 50 divided by 5, that is 10 kilograms. Because she is 5 times. Ved has 50 cookies. He ate 2 cookies and packed the rest into 4 bags. So out of 50, he ate, that is 2. Cookies left is 50 minus 2, that is 48. Now he divided it into 1, 2, 3, 4 bags. In one bag, the number of cookies, how many bags does he need to pack all cookies? And packs rest into bags of 4. Okay, so there are bags of 4. In every bag, there are 4. So number of bags is equal to 48 divided by 4, that is equal to 12. C option is the correct answer. There is a relationship between the numbers in the first row and the second row. Use the relationship to work out the missing number. 12 and 16, 6 and 10, 3 and 7, 5 and 5 and B and A and 11. So 12 plus 4, 6 plus 4, 3 plus 4. So it has to be 5 plus 4. So B value is equal to 5 plus 4, that is 9. That is only in one of the options. And A has to be 11 minus 4, that is equal to 7. So A option is the correct answer. Devi had some dough. She divided the dough into 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. If she used 3 parts to make curry puff, she used 3 parts. What fraction of dough did Devi use? So 3 she used out of 4. So 3 by 4, that means C option is the correct answer. A chair has 4 legs and a stool has 3 legs. Zia has counted 17 legs when she put all the chairs and stools in a row. How many chairs and stools were there in total? So according to A option, 3 multiplied by 4 because chairs and 2 multiplied by 3. This will be 12 plus 6, that is 18. Not the correct one. B option, 2 multiplied by 4 plus 2 multiplied by 3, that is 8 plus 6, that is 14. Not the correct one. C option, 3 multiplied by 4 plus 3 multiplied by 3, this is 12 plus 9, that is 21. Not the correct one. C option, 2 multiplied by 4 plus 3 multiplied by 3, so this is 8 plus 9, that is equal to 70. That is the correct answer. The figure is made up of dashed triangular surface and how many rectangular surfaces? So see, 1 and 2 triangular surfaces and then 1, 2 and then the 3 rectangular surfaces. So 2 comma 3, that means B option is the correct answer. 50 less than the sum of these values. 372 plus 518, 8 plus 2 is 10, 1 carry over, this is 9, 890 and then we need to subtract 50 from it, 840. B option is the correct answer. If 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stars stands for 10 stems, 3 triangles stands for 6 stems, then 2 star plus 2 triangles stands for how many stems? So 1 star is equal to 10 divided by 5, that is 2. 1 triangle is equal to 6 divided by 3, that is also equal to 2 stems. 2 stars means 2 plus 2 plus 2 triangle means 2 plus 2, so this is 4 plus 4, that is 8 stems. A option. Choose the missing number in the given blank. 6 multiplied by 6 plus 12 plus 12 plus 12 is equal to dash multiplied by 6. 6 multiplied by 6 is 36. 12 plus 12 plus 12 is 36. This is 72, which is 12 multiplied by 6. So 12 is the answer. A packet of sugar has a mass of 520 grams. Choose the mass of 9 such packets. Mass of 9 packets. Such packets is equal to 520 multiplied by 9. 0, 18, 1, 4680 grams, which is equal to 4 kilogram, and lastly digit is of gram, 680 grams. D option. Next one. The clock is 20 minutes slow. Choose the correct time. 1 minute 25 minutes from now. So 1 hour 25 minutes from now. Here the time is 3:45. 3:45 after 1 hour 25 minutes, this will become 10. This is 7, so 1 will be here and 1 will go here. 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. 3 plus 1, that is 5. So 5 hours 10 minutes, that is the answer. But as it is 20 minutes slow, so after 20 minutes the time will become 5:30. C option. Choose a fraction when with the denominator that is 2 times the numerator. So here the denominator 6 is equal to 2 multiplied by 3, not 2 times. 16 is equal to 6 multiplied by some value which is definitely not 2, because 6 multiplied by 2 is 12. They are not equal. Let's 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. They are not equal. Let's write it down in this format. 6 multiplied by 2 is 12. They are not equal. 8 multiplied by 2 is 16. These are not equal. 6 multiplied by 2 is 12. They are equal. So D option. Mary prepared 10,000 ml of fruit juice. She poured 1850 ml of juice into a jar. She also filled 9 glasses with 200 ml of each juice. How much juice is left? Juice left is equal to 10,000 minus 1850 plus 200 multiplied by 9. 10,000 minus 1850 plus 1800. 10,000 minus 3650. 59. So 3650 ml. That is equal to 6 liters and 350 ml. A option. Choose the missing number. Dash multiplied by 5 plus 8 divided by 6 minus 5 is equal to 3. So this dash multiplied by 5 plus 8 divided by 6 minus 5 equal to 3. We will solve this. Dash multiplied by 5 plus 8 divided by 6. 8 divided by 6 minus 5 equal to 3. So what we will do is we will going to first add 5 on both the sides. So dash multiplied by 5 plus 8 divided by 6 is equal to 5 plus 3, 8. Dash multiplied by 5 plus 8 is equal to 8 multiplied by 6, that is equal to 48. Dash multiplied by 5, 40 minus 8, that is 40. And this is equal to 40 divided by 5, that is equal to 8. The options. If you try to understand, 8 multiplied by 5 is 40 plus 8 is 48 divided by 6 is 8 minus 5 is 3. Convert 6400 paisa into rupees. We know that 100 paisa is equal to 1 rupee. So if all we have to do is just divide it by 100, that is equal to 64 rupees. Choose the statement that describes the given number correctly. 14, 26, 38, 50, 62, 74. This is, they are all odd numbers. No, all of them are even. They can be divided by 7 without any leaving any sort of remainder. 14 can be divided, but in case of 26, the remainder is 5. In case of 38, the remainder is 3. Here remainder is 1. Here the remainder is 6. Here the remainder is 4. So no, they give a remainder of 1 when divided by 3. So when you divide it by 3, here the remainder is of 2. So not the correct one. They give a remainder of 2 when divided by 3. When you divide it by 3, 3 4s are 12. So 2 is the remainder. 3 8s are 24. 2 is the remainder. 3 12s are 36. 2 is the remainder. 3 16s are 48. 2 is the remainder. 3 20 times is 60. 2 is the remainder. And then 3 24 times is 32 and 2 is the remainder. So the option is the correct answer. 4730 is as same as 120 less than dash many 10. 4730 is as same as multiply by 10 minus 120. So multiply by 10 is equal to 4730 plus 120. This is 4850. So this is equal to 4850 divided by 10. That is 485. B option. What fraction of the figure is not shaded? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 parts are there, out of which 1, 2, 3 are not shaded. 3 by 7. The value of digit 8 in the difference of 8121, 1249. 11 minus 9 is 2, 11 minus 7 is 4, 10 minus 2 is 8, 7 minus 1 is 6. Now here the value is 8 multiplied by 100, that is 800. Three options. A camera costs 220 rupees. If it costs 4 times as much as mobile phone, so choose the total cost of 2 such mobile phones. Cost of one mobile phone is equal to, camera cost is given, it costs 4 times as much as mobile. So 220 upon 4, that is 55 rupees. Now cost of 2 mobile phones is equal to 55 multiplied by 2, that is rupees 110. B option. Rishi went to the shopping mall at 3:30. He spent 1.5 hours. What time did he leave the shopping complex? So 3:30, he spent 1 hour 30 minutes. So when you add it, this is 460. That is, this will become 4 plus 1, 0, 0. That is 5 o'clock, 5 p.m. B option. Choose the correct ascending order. 2 meters means 2 multiplied by 100, 200 centimeters. That is equal to, that is the value. 50 centimeter is 50 centimeter as it is. 100 mm is equal to 100 divided by 10, that is 10 centimeter. Ascending order. So 100 mm, then 50 centimeter, then 2 meters. C option. If 15 plus 6, 15 is equal to 6 plus a mango. So a mango is equal to 15 minus 6, that is 9. Mango multiplied by the apple is equal to 45. So 9 multiplied by apple is equal to 45, or apple is equal to 45 divided by 9, that is 5. A option is the correct answer. And this is how you can solve the question. Which option replace the question mark? So grapes, fish, hen, egg. Grapes is by G, fish, hen, egg. Then egg is by E. Then after that, if you look at the sequence, so the next name should be replaced by, this should be G, this should be E. There is the sort of image of a fish, and then it has to be hen. So G, E, H and fish. G, E, H and fish. That is what the correct answer is. Next one, select the odd one out. Mist, cloud, rain, vapor. So cloud, see, when we talk about mist, or when we talk about rain, when we talk about vapor, these all three are the form of water. These all three are the form of a water droplet. But when we talk about cloud, cloud is something that contains the water. Cloud is something that contains the water. So what should be the correct answer in this case? Over here, if we just try to understand this scenario, the rain is something that is falling down. Water is also, cloud is also something that is going to form with the help of the water vapors. Rain is only the liquid form of water. Then other of them are the water in which the water is stored. And hence the C option is the correct answer. Select the correct matching pair that replaces the question mark. Over here, if we look at 1, 2, 3 parts are there which are unshaded, but over here they are shaded. So here basically the color is getting swiped. So in this case, if we make the same sort of shape, 1, 2, 3. So they will going to have the dark color, and then the other two will going to have this light color, which is nothing but the option number A. That is what the correct answer is. The color is getting swiped. In which option the given part is hidden? Cross this droplet. The cross is here. This droplet is here. This sign is here. But the sequence is changing. Cross. This infinity sign is there. Droplet is there. But the sign is changed. The sequence is changed. Cross this and over here. But in this case, cross and then this droplet and then this part is there. So basically, if we look at the arrangement, then in that case, you can find out that over here in the A option, cross, this droplet and this infinity sign. This is the correct sequence. In this case, the sequence is changing. In this case, the sequence is, it is already not there. In this case, the sequence is changing. So A option is the correct answer. How many squares are there in the given figure? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is how the square is of this part. Then after that, one square is here. Then after that, one square is here, plus 1. So basically there are total of the number of square that is given to us is 1 cross 1 square are 10, then 3 cross 3 square are, there are 2 squares, plus the squares with 2 cross 2, 1, and similarly 2, 1 plus 1. So this is equal to 14. A option is the correct answer. Next one, which option replaces the question mark? So if we just overlap these two figures, so this will going to be exactly like the option number C. We are just overlapping them. Basically from here, this is the shape which is forming. That is the C option. Select the missing figure. Circle, see, circle, this bigger part is here. This is getting, this is just next to each other. This is now overlapping and this is exactly in the middle. Outside, overlapping, exactly in the middle. Outside, overlapping, then it has to be like a triangle, and then exactly in center, we will going to have this. C option is the correct answer. If the words in the box are arranged in the alphabetical order, then which one will be the third position? So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. April will come first, then August, then January, then J, U, J, K, L, M, N. So July and then June. Third position, so that is January. The option. Number 2 belong to which of the following group? So if we talk about, see, this is 3, this is 9, this is 11, this is 15, 17, 13, 31, 35, 36, 37, 37. Here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. So all the numbers 1, 5, 15, 25, and then 7, 21, 29, 35, 49, 47. So if we talk about this particular part, so in the first case, number 2 is coming. That means in the group Q. So B option is the correct answer. Which option replaces the question mark? Here, these are nothing but the mirror images. These are nothing but the mirror images. So it will going to look like this, like this. D option is the correct answer. And this is how you can solve the equation. Which object or objects weigh the same as the circle? So see, if we remove this, so from here it says a circle is equivalent to a square and a rectangle. One square is equivalent to two rectangles. So this also implies one, two rectangle, and then this third one as it is. One circle is also equivalent to three rectangles. So the circle is equivalent to 1, 2 and 3 rectangle. P option. We will not going to place this one. We will not going to take this one. Also not going to take this one. So B option is the correct answer. I put the 9 balls in a bag and blindly take a certain number of the balls. How many do I need to take so that at least 2 of them are white? At least how many balls I need to take? So see, if we talk about this particular scenario, let's suppose I'm closing my eyes and the ball that I picked is black color. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4 black colors. Let's suppose that in the first 4 trials, the balls that we are taking out are black. So at the first position, it's black. At the second position, it is also black. At the third position, it is also black. At the fourth position, it is also black. But now at the fifth position, it will going to be for sure white. At the sixth position, it will always going to be white. So basically, at least if we are taking the worst case scenario that we are not getting even a single white ball in the first 4 trials. So when we take out 6 balls, then it is a must that it will going to have at least 2 of them are white. Arjun laid out 3 sticks like this. To make a shape, it is not allowed to break or bend the stick. Which shape could it make? Could he make? So 1, 2, 3. There are 4 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sticks. 1, 2, 3. There are 4 sticks, but over here 1, 2, and 3 sticks. The option is the correct answer. If in Anil's house, each room is connected to neighboring room by door as shown in the picture. Anil wants to get from the room A, here is Anil, what is the least number of doors he will need to go through the B. So let's suppose Anil starts from here, then he will go this side, he will go this side. See, Anil starts from here, he will go like this, and he will reach door B. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 doors. Let's assume that instead of going from here, Anil is going from the same door, but like now like this. Going like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again 6. If he is going from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 doors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 doors. So D option is definitely not the correct answer. 5 doors. So then after that, if you talk about one more scenario, let's suppose instead of going like this, he is going to take this path. So 1, 2, 3, and then 4. 4 doors. So C option is also not the correct one. But we cannot go by using 3 doors. So B option is the correct answer. Which option would fit into the given block so that the of same color are not together? So same color need not to be together. So there are 3 blocks. If we place this color over here and here, so white, 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 they are not getting together, and over here we will leave it as white. So the shape will going to be like this one. That is going to be the option number B. That's what the correct answer is. And this is how we can solve the question. All the best.